This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing and immediately initiating the recovery path. Save any unsaved files because the system will reboot. Once ready, open the Start menu, hold Shift, and click Restart. This forces Windows into the recovery environment rather than a normal reboot. Make sure you run this from an account with admin rights so you can access recovery options. This step works because Shift plus Restart bypasses the fast startup path and sends control to the Windows recovery environment. Once done, you'll see a blue recovery screen. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Startup Settings. This screen lists the special boot behaviors Windows can use to change drivers and services. Click Restart to have the system present that numbered menu. Make sure to note which number corresponds to safe mode, 4 or F4 for basic safe mode, 5 or F5 for safe mode with networking. Press the matching number or function key to proceed. This tells Windows to load minimal drivers and services for troubleshooting. You will arrive at the desktop with reduced resolution and the word Safe Mode in the corners. Sign in and run diagnostics or remove problematic drivers because only essential services are running. When finished, make sure to restart normally from Start right arrow power, right arrow restart so Windows boots back to normal mode. If Shift plus Restart did not open recovery, trigger the recovery environment by powering off during boot 3 times in a row. This forces WinRe and gives you the same startup settings path as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.